Hi guys, this is Katie and today we are heading in to Muji. This is meant to be the first Muji here in Bangkok, so let's see what the hype's about. Firstly, they have a cafe. They are wedding in my books. I think this Muji takes up like most of this floor, which is interesting. Hangers, plenty of hangers. So in all seriousness guys, does anyone know why this is so popular? I don't know why. In Bangkok it was like a big thing, like oh my goodness, there's a Muji coming. It just kind of looks like an IKEA. Maybe I'm missing something. Let me know in the comments below if you know. This is what I'm after, is pens. I have got a new planner. It's just arrived. I'll show it to you when I get home. But I want to get some pens. Right, got my pens. Can understand the love for this place now. Do love a good stationery section. Oh, they have a clothes section as well. Interesting. So I have talked about this on this channel before, but it is actually quite hard to find Western sized clothes here. They do look like they have quite a bit of stuff that would fit a Westerner, so that's good. Maybe that's something that the shop is great for. Right, I've picked up a few things. I'll give you a quick haul. So I've got Callum some slippers for Christmas. I've got a toothbrush because you know how hard it is to find a hard toothbrush. All toothbrushes in Thailand I swear are soft. So I thought I'd give that a try. And I've also bought some like watercolour pens because I keep hearing about how amazing these are. So I've got these and I've also got some normal ballpoint pens that match up with the colours because I've got a new planner and I want to use these for the new year. So that is my little Muji haul. Muji seems alright. It seems quite nice. Probably is worth coming to. It does a lot of clothes, a lot of stationery, and quite a bit of home stuff. Not loads, but enough to like go exploring. So if you are new to Bangkok, and especially if you're like moving in and you want to get some nice stuff, it's not like it's not as cheap as IKEA in the sense of like it is not that expensive, but it looks nicer than IKEA. Does that make sense? Anyway, I'm gonna pay for this and go home. So thanks so much for watching guys, and I shall see you tomorrow for the next Vlogmas.